Hi, I'm Jane. I love to garden. So I live in Utah up against these Wasatch Mountains in East Sandy. I love it here. So today I'm going to show you a plant haul for my birthday. And as you can see, I have some geraniums and they are so beautiful. And let me show you the rest of the plants I got. So over here I got a flat of geraniums. So there's 6 in there. I got some Scabiosa that return. So exciting. My little Lindsay picked out these columbine, and then we got a couple roses. This one is called Nicole, and my daughter's middle name is Nicole. And this one over here is called Fragrant Plum, Ranunculus. And then this one is called Plum Perfect. I needed to up my purple game. I already planted these ones, or at least my son did, right? And then we have a few roses that both of my sons helped me plant. So let me show you around the yard which ones we recently planted just this week or last week. Over here, we put in that rose right there. I'll put the name on the screen. And then over here, oh, we didn't put anything over here. But I did want to show you my chickens. So let's go over to the bunny barn area. Here's some of the adults. And the dog barking is mine. It's chasing a rock, playing with a rock. And then the babies are right there. Just getting some outside time. This one is Cheeto. Isn't she a beautiful Polish? She's a candy corn Polish. And I would love to get a whole lot of those. See the beautiful babies. They're so cute. Cheeto is trying to get to know them. You want to see what all that barking's about? Patches keeps trying to get that rock to move, and it's wearing him out. But he's taken out my rose. Look what you did, you punk. Buddy! I'm not going to propagate it because it is a pretty rose, but it's not my favorite rose. And then he keeps digging out my lilac and eating the rose hips. So I absolutely love this pain in the butt dog. Do you guys have dogs that are annoying? Patches, thank you for pruning the rose hips off for me. Yeah, you like those? Huh. Wonder what rose hips are good for. Patch, you're crazy. I love you. This is Patches. Patches, look at my face. You're loved. Even if you're annoying, you're loved. So there's not a new one over here, but we did move the Bolero. And I might put one of the short roses like the Nicole over here. So the Bolero is a little bit shorter, so it's right there. And I was thinking the Nicole rose could come in one of these spots over here because it is a lot shorter. And then my sons helped me plant this rose and the delphinium right there. So let's get in there. This is South Africa. My husband went on a church mission to South Africa, so I really wanted to get this rose. And it is supposed to be really sweet smelling. It smells like citrus to me. And there's a whole bunch of new roses around it. We have Parfuma Summer Romance and Moonlight Romantica next to it. So that's going to be glorious. Back out so you can see this bed a little bit better. If it's bouncy, I'm sorry. Look at that view. Spoiled rotten. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm not going to plant any of these plants that I got, but maybe in the next couple days, maybe tomorrow, maybe Sunday, I'm worn out. So I'm going to go relax and ice my back, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!
Is South Africa his favorite?
No, it's called South Africa because he went on a mission to South Africa. Isn't that cool?
Well, which one is his favorite?
Blue girl.
What?
His favorite rose is blue. when my chicks are finally big enough to have a little bit of outside time, they're going to go inside at night still, but we're 70s or more during the day. We're going to be 80s in the next little bit. And they're having so much fun, and they don't stink as bad out here. They've got water and food. And the big chickens haven't even noticed the babies yet because they are just having so much fun playing in the compost. So now the adult hens have noticed the babies. So what they do, let's see if I can get closer over here, is they look at them through...
Look at Tiny Whitey. He's like, babies?
Through a fence. And they will peck a little bit. They'll like, hey, I'm in charge. But this is the safest way to have them interact. And I'm going to do this for several weeks. Because look at the difference in their sizes. Look, all you're seeing is chicken butts. But these are adults. They're a couple of years. I know she's like 2 years. And these guys are only like 3 weeks.
Done. Okay, we're going to look to the chickens. Bye-bye. Woo! Alpha is eating. Oh, same with, Chief is eating, and Puppy wants to go, and so there's Puppy, Potato, oh no, Chief Donkey, sorry, Puppy. Dynamite, then there's, Potato, Stripes, and that's all. Can you tell me if those were 10 names, please? Those weren't, just comment down below if they were right here, okay? Does that seem good to you? Okay, like, subscribe. Pew, 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 pew.